up into groups including silicates, oxides, sulfides, and phosphates too. And I have listed in this song just a few. So if you have to take a test, it can help you. You've likely heard of plagiaria, clays, caves, feldspar, and quartz. But there's so many more minerals that form when magma cools. Nepheline, lucite, sodalite, pigeonite, and phlogopite, instaxite, hornblende, muscovite, olivine, and biotite. And lastly, for the silicates, zircon, tourmaline, augite. Yeah, lastly, for the silicates, zircon, tourmaline, augite. Now on to oxides, we have magnetite, chromite, hematite, ilmenite, rutile, and urbanite also. Now moving on to the sulfide group, in which you should know pyrite, pyrrhotite, and chalcopyrite too. Now to the next and final group, we have the phosphates, which include apatite as the sole example in this song. And this mineral is actually present in our bodies, but the way in which it forms in our teeth is sedimentary. Yeah, the way in which it forms in our teeth is sedimentary. And this song is about igneous processes which exclude sedimentary precipitated minerals. But we'll be talking about such processes in later videos. So I hope this song was helpful for your understanding of igneous minerals and the groups they belong to. Yeah, igneous minerals and the groups they belong to.